Alright, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a shadow effect on a video in CapCut PC. Drag your video to the timeline and select the clip. Then resize your video to the size you want. Next, go to Mask and click Add Mask. Resize the mask to fit your video. You can use other shapes as well, but I'm using a rectangular shape for this example. You can also adjust the corner roundness if you want. Then, right-click on the clip and select Create Compound Clip. Duplicate the clip by dragging it while holding Alt. Select the bottom clip, go to Basic, and increase the scale to around 104%. Then go to Adjust, click Curves, and drag the luma all the way down to black. Now go to the Effects tab, search for Blur, and drag it onto the bottom clip. As you can see, your clip now has a black shadow. To change the color of the shadow, you can go back to Curves and adjust the values of the different colors. Please leave a like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.